Hello, everyone. Welcome to Biology 105, Biological Diversity, Ecology, and Evolution. My name is Miriam Goldberg, and I'm going to be your instructor for this wonderful class. It's one of my favorites from the biology majors degree or pathway. I hope that you have perused through Canvas and analyze what are the technical requirements that you will need for this class. The class is taught asynchronously, but I'm here to help you with any questions, comments, or any difficulties that you may have. I have been teaching biology for 24 years, and I have been teaching online since 2004. So I have quite a bit of experience. This class is one of my favorites. If you read on my biography in the homepage, I traveled extensively with students and specifically to the Galapagos Islands, which is my favorite place, where you can see a lot of the topics that we're going to be covering this session in this class right there with your own eyes and things happening right there. So it's a very exciting place. And through the course, I'll share some of my adventures that relate to the course, of course. The course is organized in modules. You have 5 weeks, so you have 5 modules. And each week you'll have a module with all the assignments and deadlines. Introductions are due May 18th. And your first deadline for assignments will be May 22nd. Please mind that the deadlines that you will have every week are on Monday and Thursdays at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm in California, so for me it's midnight, but that will be the usual deadlines that you have to pay attention to every week. So the first week, our major topic is about populations and how they change. And our learning objectives are the population changes, and this has to do with obviously the environment and how they engage with each other and what are the available resources for them. We're also going to talk about natural selection and evolution. As you may or you may not know, Charles Darwin did an extensive trip through the Galapagos Islands, and he came up with the major text called The Origin of Species. We're also going to talk about speciation. And obviously, there's one major example from Darwin, which dealt with the speciation of the finches, ground finches in the Galapagos Islands. And last but not least, we're going to learn about taxonomy and phylogeny. Taxonomy is how we classify living things according to structures. Phylogeny is obviously related, but we deal with the relationship between organisms according to their DNA and their DNA similarities. This week, you're also going to be completing a Labster simulation on taxonomy. I've done it. It's very fun. And you're going to start to work on your endangered species website. This is a very nice project. You're going to start the first week choosing an endangered species of your liking, and you have some resources where you can look for this kind of species. You will then have to post answering some questions on the discussion board about the species that you have chosen, and you have to respond to 2 of your classmates. I believe that's it for our first week. I'm very excited to be here with you. I want to make sure that you know that I'm here to help you be successful in this class. And if you have any issues, any problems, any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. This is your space, and I'm here to facilitate your learning. So I'm really happy and I'm glad that you're here. Looking forward.